Is it possible to find the length of this square? Welcome back to the channel. So here we have an identical circle. This and this are equal. Please, this is not drawn to scale, but actually they are supposed to be equal to each other since they have equal radius. Now, this is x, the length of this small square, and we are asked to find its length. Okay, first of all, let us join this to this. Okay, so let's join here to here and complete this place. Now from here to here is also the radius of this circle, right? So from here to here is also, let's call this O, and let's call this B. Let's call this another thing. Let's call this Q. Okay, this is Q. Now this is O. And let's complete this. Let's make this a right angle. If we drop a perpendicular from here, then we have a right angle. Okay, so OQ is equal to 5 meters. Now let's call from here to here. Notice that from here to here is equal to x because this place is also x. So from here to here, let's call this place P. So from P to Q is also equal to x. So we have x here. Now OP then will be equal to OQ minus O minus PQ, right? So it means that OP from here to here will be equal to OQ, which is 5 meters, right? Minus PQ, which is x. So this portion is 5 minus x. Okay. Now, from here to here, we don't know what it is, but let's call it y. Okay, let's call that portion y. And this is q. This is n. This is n. All right. So qn is equal to y. Now OB, let's call this portion B. So OB is approximately equal to, it's not approximately, it's equal to 5 because it is what? The radius of this circle. All right. Now when you look at this, we can actually let's draw out this triangle that we formed. This is what we have. We have O, we have P, and we have B. Now OP is 5 minus x, PB is y, and OB is 5. So using the Pythagorean theorem, you will have that 5 minus x squared plus y squared is equal to 5 squared. Okay, so solving further, we have a minus b squared, remember, is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. A squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So this will be 5 squared, which is 25, minus 2ab, 2 times 5 times x, which is 10x, plus b squared plus x squared is equal to 5 squared, which is 25. All right. So from here, we will have that, plus y squared, I forgot plus y squared, is equal to 25. So we have 25 here and we have 25 here. So they will definitely go. Now we have minus 10x plus x squared plus y squared is equal to 0. Please hit the subscription button and turn on your notification bell if this is the first time you are seeing us. Give us a thumbs up if you love what we are doing. Okay, thank you very much. Now let me transfer everything to the other side. We are going to have that y squared is equal to plus x squared will cross to become minus x squared. This will cross to become plus 10x. So we have 10x minus x squared. Okay, all right. So that simply means that y will be equal to the square root of 10x minus x squared. So permit me to write that somewhere. So let's write that y from here to here is equal to the square root of 10x minus x squared. All right. Now, what if we decide to replicate this triangle on the other circle? Okay. So if we do that, we will have, let's join this to this point. Okay. Then let's join this to this place. That means this is also 5 meters, right? Then we drop our parallel line and we drop this as well. Okay. So when you do that, since here is y, here is x, from here to here will also be y, right? Okay. But if this is P, and let's call this place R, okay? Now PR will be equal to 5 plus 5, which is 10 meters. Okay? So 0 to N, okay? ON, PR should be equal to ON. So PR should be equal to 5 plus 5, which is 10 meters. All right. So since we have that here, we can then write, we have an equation that will form right now. So forming this equation, we have that PR is equal to PB plus B to this point, which is our X, right? Plus from here to here, which is also our Y. So PR is 10 is equal to PB. PB is Y plus from here to here is also X. From here to here is also X, which is what we have here. Plus from here to here is also Y. So it means that 10 is equal to 2y plus x, right? All right. Now solving further, we will have that 2y is equal to, if we transfer this to the other side, 10 minus x. Now we have two equations for our y. Yes, from equation 1, recall that y is equal to square root of 10x minus x squared. So if we multiply this by 2, multiply by 2, we will have 2y is equal to 2 root 10x minus x squared. Okay? But you can also see that 2y is also equal to this, and 2y is also equal to that. So this implies that we can write that 10 minus x is equal to 2 root 10x minus x squared. Okay, so permit me to clean everything because this is what we need. Have you subscribed to our channel? If not, please kindly do that. Okay, please kindly do that if you have not subscribed to our channel. Now let me rewrite this. This is what we have, that 10 minus x is equal to 2 root 10x minus x squared. Okay, now let us square both sides. Okay, squaring both sides. Now squaring both sides, we are going to have 10 minus x squared. So we have 10 minus x squared is equal to 2 root 10x minus x squared, 2 root 10x minus x squared all squared. So if we expand this, we have 10 squared, which is 100, minus 2 times 10 times x, which is 20x, plus x squared, is equal to 2 squared, which is 4, and this squared, this we remove this, we are left with 10x minus x squared. So if we open the brackets, we are going to have 100 minus 20x plus x squared is equal to 40x minus 4x squared. So let's transfer everything to the left hand side. So we have 100 minus 20x plus x squared minus 40x plus 4x squared is equal to 0. So we have 100 minus 20x minus 40x is minus 60x plus x squared plus 4x squared is plus 5x squared is equal to 0. Now let's divide through by 5. So when 5 divides this, we have 20. So now we have 20 minus, this divides this, we have 12x, plus this, we divide this, we have x squared is equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation we'll be solving now, which is what? Lesser. All right. So now we have 20 minus, okay, let's rearrange. Let's write x squared first, followed by minus 12x, followed by 20 is equal to 0. Okay, now at this point, we need to solve this using the quadratic equation formula. So let's find our discriminant, which is b squared minus 4ac. So the discriminant will be equal to, our b is negative 12, so we have negative 12 squared minus 4 multiplied by our a is 1 and our c is 20. So the discriminant will be equal to 144 minus 80. So the discriminant will be equal to 4. 14 minus 86 will be equal to 64. All right. So it means that x then, so the first value of x will be equal to minus b plus or minus square root of 64 divided by 2 times a, which is still 2 times 1. So we have x will be equal to, we already have minus 12, so minus minus is plus, so we replace this with 12, plus or minus square root of this is 8 divided by 2. So the first value of x will be 12 plus 8, which will give us 12 plus 8 is 20. So we have 20 divided by 2, which will give us 10. Now the second value of our x will be 12 minus 8, 12 minus 8, which will give us 4. 4 divided by 2, which will give us 2. Now let's check the one that is possible. If the length from here to here is 5, then this length from here to here cannot be more than 5. It's not possible. That means this is actually big, right? This is too big. Remember that from here to here alone is 10. So how come from here to here will also be equal to 10? So it's not possible that our x is this. The only possibility is that x is equal to 2 units. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.